Designing a small kitchen can feel challenging, especially when storage, function, and style all need to fit into a limited footprint. But with the right minimalist approach, even the tiniest kitchen can appear more open, organized, and visually spacious. Minimalist design isn't just about reducing clutter. It focuses on purposeful layout, clean aesthetics, and smart visual tricks that enhance both comfort and functionality. Below are practical strategies to help transform a compact kitchen into a space that feels brighter, larger, and more enjoyable to use. Embrace light colors to create a spacious visual effect. Color plays a powerful role in shaping how big or small a space feels. Light tones such as white, cream, pale gray, or soft beige naturally reflect light and make walls recede visually, helping the kitchen feel airy instead of confined. A monochromatic palette is especially effective in minimalist spaces because it removes visual distractions and creates a seamless sense of continuity. For a warmer ambience, consider using off-white cabinetry paired with light wooden accents. If you still want some personality, introduce subtle pastel shades or soft earth tones instead of dark or highly contrasting colors. The goal is to keep visual transitions smooth so your eyes flow easily across the room. Maximize natural and artificial lighting. A bright kitchen always appears larger than a dim one. If possible, allow natural light to fill the room by keeping windows unobstructed and choosing sheer blinds instead of heavy curtains. Avoid placing bulky cabinets or decor that blocks light sources. Artificial lighting is just as important. Layer it thoughtfully. Ceiling lights to brighten the entire space. Under-cabinet lighting to eliminate dark corners. Accent lighting to highlight open shelves or counters. Soft, evenly distributed light reduces harsh shadows that make the room look cramped. Warm white tones can also make the kitchen feel cozy without shrinking the visual space. Choose sleek, streamlined furniture and fixtures. Minimalist kitchen design relies on clean lines and simple forms. Large decorative handles, bulky cabinetry, or overly ornate fixtures can overwhelm a small space. Instead, opt for flat panel cabinet doors, slim handles or push-to-open systems, compact appliances with smooth finishes. Built-in or integrated appliances also help maintain visual harmony, reducing cluttered edges that break up the flow of the room. A streamlined sink, slim faucet, and narrow countertop legs all contribute to a lighter, more spacious feel. Declutter and prioritize functional storage. Clutter is the biggest enemy of a tiny kitchen. Even beautiful decor can make the room feel tight if it fills too much surface space. Start by removing unnecessary items from countertops and keeping daily essentials only. Then, focus on smart storage solutions such as vertical shelving up to the ceiling, pull-out drawers instead of deep cabinets, corner organizers for unused spaces, magnetic knife strips or wall hooks. Minimalist design encourages intentional ownership, keeping only what you truly use and love. The cleaner your visual field, the larger the room will appear. Use reflective surfaces to amplify space. Reflective elements help bounce light around the room, subtly expanding its visual boundaries. Glossy cabinet finishes, stainless steel appliances, and glass tile backsplashes can enhance openness without adding clutter. Mirrors are another powerful trick in small space design. Installing a mirror panel or reflective backsplash not only adds depth, but also creates the illusion of extended space behind narrow walls. Adopt open shelving, but keep it organized. Open shelves are a popular minimalist feature because they make walls feel lighter and create breathing space. However, they must be styled carefully to maintain a clean aesthetic. Store only neatly arranged items such as matching dish sets, simple glassware, small plants, or jars. Avoid overcrowding the shelves, as too many objects can quickly recreate visual clutter. Think of them as intentional display spaces, not additional storage for random items. Choose simple flooring patterns and layouts. Flooring can influence how large the kitchen feels. Busy patterns or multiple color changes can visually break up the area and make it seem smaller. Instead, opt for light wood or stone finishes, large tiles rather than small mosaics, continuous flooring that flows into nearby rooms. Diagonal or plank-length orientations can also create a sense of extended distance, guiding the eye forward and stretching the illusion of space. Create multifunctional and flexible work areas. In a tiny kitchen, every surface matters. Minimalist design encourages multi-purpose features that save space while enhancing efficiency. Consider foldable or pull-out countertops, compact dining bars doubling as prep areas, movable kitchen carts with storage beneath. By reducing the number of separate furniture pieces, the room feels less crowded and more fluid in daily use. Keep decor subtle and intentional. Minimalist design does not mean eliminating personality. It simply encourages thoughtful restraint. Choose a few meaningful accents instead of many small decorations. A single framed print, a small plant, or a stylish pendant lamp can provide character without overwhelming the space. Textures such as natural wood, matte finishes, or soft fabric details also add warmth while keeping the design understated and calm. Conclusion: a tiny kitchen doesn't have to feel restrictive. With minimalist design principles, clean lines, smart storage, light colors, and intentional simplicity, the space can appear larger, brighter, and far more comfortable to live in. Rather than relying on excess decor or bulky features, minimalist design highlights clarity, order, and purposeful aesthetics. When every element is chosen thoughtfully, even the smallest kitchen can become a functional and visually spacious centerpiece of the home.